Hey, this is AC Locke here with SoftWash Systems, and we've put together another great truck. And this one's going out to John T. He's with Certified SoftWash Solutions. He's in the southern area around the Great Lakes there in the Ontario province of Canada. And he's got a beautiful Ford crew cab. John, you could move into this truck. This is a big one. Beautiful crew cab Ford truck here. Short box with one of our gorgeous SoftWash systems in the back here. And this is our extra large skid. It's our 72-inch skid, or our 4-module skid. And John's done some creative things to it here, but I'm going to walk you through the system here real quick. Now, of course, first thing we see right here is we do have an 18-inch Titan hose reel. And this 18-inch Titan hose reel John has put on here, requested on here, for him collecting up or winding up his additional or extra garden hose, just for storage. No fluid actually runs through this hose reel. Then as we come across the system here, we have in the A position in the system is our SoftWash Systems blend module. And this is the module that mixes the soft washing chemicals, adds the bleaches and the antimicrobials and the soaps all together and mixes them and delivers them out through the hose reels on the back that we'll talk about in just a moment. Right next to it in the B position, he's got a actual rinsing module here, SoftWash Systems rinsing module, but he has it over the top of his 100-gallon bleach tank. Then next to that, he has over here another 100-gallon tank that's actually the buffer tank for the rinse module. He just wanted to bring them both over here side by side so that they were easy to get to. He didn't have to compete with this hose reel or reach over the top of this saddle tank to get to his bulk rinse module. Okay? Then here attached to the buffer tank on the bulk rinse module, we have a metering saddle tank. And this metering saddle tank has been plumbed into the bulk rinse module for delivering our plant wash. Okay, so we put the granular plant wash in here. We add water to it, and this allows you to meter this with a metering ball valve into the rinse pump to go ahead and neutralize the plants and the chemicals around the home and make sure that all the microbes in the soil and everything survive the cleaning so the plants do well. So a little bit of a unique configuration here. He has two 100-gallon tanks side by side. One tank is for bleach, the other tank is for water. This actual blend module feeds off of this 100-gallon tank. This rinse module feeds off of that 100-gallon tank, and then we have a nice saddle tank here on the side. So a different configuration, but that's the great thing about SoftWash Systems equipment. It's all modular, although it's not fully customizable. Because it's modular, it gives you a very customizable feel when you put it together. It's kind of like Legos, you know? All right, so come around to the back here, on the back of the system. Right here we have two side-by-side Titan stainless steel and aluminum electric hose reels. So we've got some beautiful electric hose reels here. This is our rinse hose here. This is 5/8 clear braid hose, very supple. Okay, when it gets cold, it doesn't get stiff. You can see through it, so you can see what product's headed to you, because all of our products are different colors. Okay, and that gets delivered here through our wand with our 6-shooter on it. Then we have right next to it here another 18-inch Titan hose reel, electric hose reel, and we have that loaded up with 1/2-inch clear braid hose on our actual ball valve gun here with our 6-shooter and our 2 tips here. We call it a 6-shooter because you can add up to 6 tips here, but this is a 6-shooter here on the end. Underneath here, we're loaded up with some awesome interstate batteries, and these interstate batteries here are charged by both our AC and our DC charging units, AC and DC charging units right here. And then as we come around to this side of the truck over here, you can see why John went ahead and loaded up an extra saddle tank, the metering saddle tank on the other side of the truck. And the reason why is he put in 4 more saddle tanks on the driver's side of the truck here, where normally we might have our metering saddle tank over here for our plant wash. John has gone ahead and has like I said, everything is modular, so it gives you a custom feel. Over here on the first saddle tank, he's put in a green wash rain fresh tank. So this is where he's going to go ahead and put his green wash with an extra shot of rain fresh, which is our scent that masks or blocks that bleach smell. Okay? And then in the B position here, he has one for his Trinity cocktail, which is green wash, Terra wash, and rain fresh mixed, which is what we use to clean the majority of exteriors, because the Terra wash comes in and breaks down the carbon or the environmental fallout that gets on buildings. Then here, because he plans on doing a lot of wood cleaning, wood decks, wood fences, wood shake roofs, he's added a saddle tank for our wood wash, which is our specific surfactant cleaner for wood, and it's been engineered not to over dry wood, because a lot of soaps, harsh soaps, will over dry wood, and you don't want that to happen. Okay? And then in the D position here, he has his final wash, which is our finishing soap, our waxing soap that puts a gorgeous sheen on homes, on glass, but it also neutralizes bleach. So 4 saddle tanks over here, 200-gallon storage tanks. Just everything is just very customized, or customized feel on this system because it's modular. John has got a beautiful system here ready to service the lower Ontario Providence, you know, out there around the Great Lakes region. Great system here. Got to make sure we pick up the wands, get them out of the way. Nice and clean and tight in this beautiful, beautiful Ford truck. Hey, listen, John, we wish you good luck and blessings up there in Canada, eh? And hey, listen, if you guys need somebody to build your SoftWash truck and help you get into the SoftWash business, give us a call at SoftWash Systems. You can find our phone number right here on the bottom of the screen, as well as our website. Hey, listen, I'm AC Locke here with SoftWash Systems. Go forth and prosper.